As you might already know, the project manager is a staple role in many different industries. Although the fundamentals of what project managers do remains the same, that is to lead projects, to fulfill goals while staying on schedule and within budget and all that good stuff, right? But the details of what they do, what project managers do in different industries, that change. So in this video, we are going over how project managers work in different industries. What exactly do they do? And this is not an exhaustive list, but it is a good starting point to understand the project management profession. With that, let's get started with a construction project manager. So, a construction project manager essentially organizes people and resources to oversee the process of building structures. This could be houses, this could be office buildings, this could be dams, this could be bridges, right? And who does the construction project manager works with? They usually work with architects and engineers. Let's move on and talk about IT project managers. Now, IT is different from software development, and we'll talk about software development as well. But let's focus in on IT project manager. So, if you are a project manager who's working in IT, you are essentially working on IT related problems in the company, right? It can be, for example, you might be carrying out a project to install new software across companies. So all employees need to get that new software. You might be updating networks, or you might be helping to roll out cloud computing services for your company. It is also possible that your company is coming up with a new office and you are required to set up the network in that office. Or it is possible that your company offers project management services to other companies that are setting up their new offices, right? So whenever you're talking about IT, you are essentially talking about IT hardware related projects, not just software development. It may include software development as well, but IT is a very broad term. All right, a quick reminder, if you're new here, consider subscribing. We are all about project management and PMP certification. Okay, let's talk about software development project managers. And this is where you as a project manager need to orchestrate project teams to develop new software. It could be software services, it could be software products, it could be updates to the software that you already have, that your company already has deployed, right? So they may have professional experience in developing software themselves. So hands-on experience is always welcome. Let's talk about healthcare project managers, and they essentially lead projects in hospitals and other healthcare facilities. Healthcare project managers, they often have a good understanding of healthcare legislation. So in addition to know what project management is, they need to know in and out of the healthcare industry as well and any legislations involved. Let's talk about energy project manager. So you're essentially a project manager working in the energy domain, in the energy related industries. This could be your petroleum, right? This could be your nuclear energy. So project managers here, they carry out projects that develop new energy infrastructure, or they might be improving the existing ones. They might also work to roll out energy efficient practices at individual organizations. Now, finally, let's talk about marketing project managers. As compared to the previous professions, this is fairly new, but a project manager in marketing might work at a tech company, or maybe at an advertising firm, large retailer, or any number of other organizations that have marketing arms. So the kind of projects that they are working on will include marketing campaigns, research efforts, and even new product launches. So that is what marketing project managers do. I hope you liked this video and understood how project managers work in different industries. Like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to check out our website pmclounge.com. If you like our work, consider contributing by using the thanks button or heading over to pmclounge.com/contribute. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye bye.